What is up, guys? So the Soarer is out of the garage, the hood is open, and that means we are going to touch something in the engine bay today. Yes, I'm super scruffy. Yes, I kind of look dirty, whatever. This is COVID haircut season, whatever. So hope you guys are staying healthy out there. You're doing well, your family's doing well. I know it's kind of tough right now, but at least you know, we strive on and move forward. So here we go. We're gonna work on the car and I'll show you what I got. All right, so for all you guys out there who are from my Honda days, I know most of you are familiar with like Spoon and Mugen and all that. Well, for Toyota guys, TRD is our little special company type thing. It's basically Toyota's performance line if you're not familiar with it. This part was on back order. I had to wait about a month to get it. Here's the part number. And if you have a Soarer or a Supra or a SC300 with a 1J swap or a 2J swap with forward facing manifold, you should be able to fit this just fine. It's an interchangeable part between Toyota, Supra, and Soarer. Basically the same chassis. The 2JZ GE and the V8, I'm not exactly sure if it fits because of the whole intake manifold on both of them and the way it goes over. So it's going to be super simple install, but it's going to make a slight difference in this engine bay. So let's get to it. Alright, so just like that, the TRD strut bar is installed. Super simple. I did have an issue over here, but I realized I just kind of just push it down. Set it and forget it pretty much. So yeah, my engine bay isn't the cleanest. It could definitely use a good detailing. I'm sure at some point I'll get to it. It's just, I've tried it before and it's going to be super tedious. And I've been focused on other things. As you could probably tell, or what you noticed, there is green strut tops, and that'll be the next video. I'm still kind of in the middle of doing that video. It's pretty much done, but I figured I got this part, it's an easy install, so I'll just put this one out first. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys you know, like the new addition to the car. I found it on eBay. There might be other places you could find it, but it was brand new. It was on back order, but maybe they have a few now. The part number I'll put in the description. So until next time, it's JZ Chris. Later.